Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are and no matter what part of the world you just so happen to be in, I hope that you're having a good day. So I have my frozen bananas, and I'm going to put a couple of those in here. And then I have my homemade walnut milk, and I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. Just a little splash. I'll leave it out in case I need more. And then I have my mangoes. Put a few of those. A few more. Then I'm going to take my cinnamon and vanilla. A little splash of that. Touch of that. And then I'm going to put a couple of dates. 4 is good. And I am also going to add a little bit of my yogurt. Let's do one more. That should be good. And now we're going to blend. Need a little bit more liquid. Just a little bit. Like a splash. Yeah. There we go. A little splash. Longer. Let's see what's going on in here. I think it's good actually. Okay, so now we're going to put it in a bowl. Okay, and we are going to add some raspberries, some fresh raspberries, And then we are going to add a few of our non-dairy Enjoy Life chocolate chips. Ooh, we'll put this away. And then we will add some coconut flakes. And then we're going to add some walnuts. And now we have ourselves a smoothie bowl. Hope that was helpful. Love y'all. Later.